Today Steve will show you how to cook the perfect barbecue short ribs. Let's go. Clean the short ribs, removing any excess fat. Season them with salt and pepper. In a mixing bowl, combine all marinade ingredients and whisk together until smooth. Place the short ribs in a large sealable bag or shallow dish. Pour over the marinade, ensuring that all ribs are well coated. Seal the bag or cover the dish, and marinate the ribs in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours, preferably overnight. Preheat your grill to medium heat. Remove the ribs from the marinade, shaking off any excess. Reserve the marinade for basting. Place the ribs bone side down on the grill and cook for about 6 to 7 minutes per side, basting occasionally with the reserved marinade. For tender ribs, after the initial sear, move them to a cooler part of the grill, or reduce the heat to low, close the lid, and let them cook for another 90 minutes to 2 hours. Make sure to check occasionally and turn them every 20 to 30 minutes. Keep basting with the marinade. If you prefer to cook indoors or don't have a grill, you can bake the marinated short ribs in an oven. Preheat the oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit 150 degrees Celsius. Place the ribs in a roasting pan, bone side down. Pour over half of the reserved marinade. Cover the pan tightly with aluminum foil and bake for about 2.5 to 3 hours, until the ribs are tender. After baking, you can optionally broil the ribs for 2 to 3 minutes to achieve a caramelized finish. Once cooked, allow the ribs to rest for a few minutes. Serve with additional barbecue sauce on the side, and enjoy with your favorite sides like coleslaw, cornbread, or potato salad. Enjoy your barbecue short ribs. They're a perfect treat for any barbecue or special gathering. Follow Steve for more AI chef recipes.